Hello crafty friends, thank you so much for joining me again. Today I'm gonna use this cute mail post die set and coordinated hot foil plates that I bought on a sale from SpellBinders, and now I'm gonna have fun with. And I'm gonna do some foiling with a classic, let's say, Christmas color. I mean, with this set is primarily Christmas. You can see there's a lot of Christmas sentiments and stuff, but can be used for, there is some that can be used for everyday occasions like a birthday, thank you, and Valentine. So I'm just gonna create 3 or 4 cards using some of those. Now the die the mailbox come with the die that allow you to cut the sentiment to put in front of the mailbox, and that's what I'm gonna do. So my first card is gonna be a Valentine card. I'm gonna use this cute embossing folder. That was one of the embossing folder of the month, or 3D embossing folder of the month for I think July or March, I don't remember. Anyway, I'm gonna do some ink blending on this green cardstock panel just around the corner, you see, just to give a bit of shading around, and it looks very cute. Now I'm gonna build my little mailbox. You can see I cut a lot because I'm just gonna get them ready for all the other cards. So I ink blend a little bit the various section of the mailbox just to give it dimension, and it's got a lot of tiny little dies that you can use. There is some flowers and foliage, and they are really pretty. So I'm gonna build some in red, 2 shades of red and white and pink, and I'm just having fun make those flowers. Now I'm gonna pop the messages that I outfoil and I cut with a bit of foam tape at the back, again to give a bit of dimension. It's a very dimensional card. And oh, look how cute is that. And now more foam tape at the back. This one is strip foam tape. I got it a bunch of those in very cheap price actually. Now the die set come with this cute little envelope as well. I use it I think on this card, but I prefer another one from this little die set. I don't remember where I got from, I think it was Amazon. It's quite cheap, but it creates this cute little envelope with heart in the middle, and I kind of prefer it, so I'm probably gonna use those. Once I finish building all my little flowers, I'm gonna pop up my background, embossed background, with some more foam tape, and then I'm gonna attach at the base my mailbox. You can open the slit inside, and I'm just gonna start to fill it up with my greenery and my flowers. I'm making A2 size card, so the whole things fill up really quickly. So I end up not use everything, but I've got more cards to make. I'm so sorry about my camera, I keep on going out of focus. I left it as a automatic focus, so it just followed my arms, unfortunately, and I didn't realize until it was too late, so sorry about that. I put a pink flower as well, I think. Oh no, that was the white one. And I create some heart-shaped flower using the same little die from, that was from the Gemini. Yeah, IK is a Gemini little die. If I can find it, I'll list it below, a link, so you can get it if you want. Now I give it a background of gold cardstock just to have a little tiny border around, and I glue everything together. And as a final touch, I just put some half gold pearl just to give a bit more shine that match the, I think the sentiment is in gold, no, maybe it's in silver, but I think it came out okay. And that's my Valentine card. I hope you like it. Now, of course, I die cut the flowers in a lot of or other different colors because, as I said, this one is quite eclectic set you can use for different things. So now I'm just making a little thank you card. There is a little note, big thanks sentiment that is quite nice. And again, I'm just gonna play around with all my die cuts and try to fill up nicely the space. I use as a background this beautiful embossing folder. I will list it below. It's from SpellBinder again. And I'm just gonna glue the foliage, and in some place I'm putting tiny foam square, cut it in pieces just to keep it a bit more, even more dimensional. And same things for the flower. Just gonna put a foam square at the back and the rest glue it to my panel. Now a little pink on the front. I love this little flower, they're so cute. My last few. You can see I've got a lot more left. And I thought I was going to use some from another set that was small die of the month for don't remember which month, but you can see the little flowers, the tiny flowers on the top there. Again, I'm using the little letter box, sorry, little envelope with the heart in the middle. And that's it. Again, I do love this half pearl, I have to tell you the truth, so I'm putting it everywhere. And that's it. I'm gonna attach this to my card base. And the card base is cream, so you just give it this tiny little cream border that I think it matches a bit with the flower. And it's done. Another card I'm making now is a birthday card. So this time it's gonna be a slimline that I don't make often enough. Now this card I already gifted to a friend of mine for a birthday, so you won't see it on the final pictures, but yeah. But you can see how I made it. So again, my mailbox in the front, and then this time I die cut, instead of flower, I die cut balloons because it's a birthday. So it's appropriate, and they're so colorful, and I love it. So I didn't plan where to put them, I just tried my luck for the first few, and then I thought they came out okay. When I did this video, it was a bit sunny, so as you can see coming through my curtains, I had to close my curtain at a certain point because it was too sunny. That is nice. Now, as a final touch, I'm gonna put some of Altenew enamel dots that I got from my stash, and that's it. Another few. Okay. Now I'm gonna attach the panel to a slimline card. I don't remember unfortunately the size. I think was 6x3, but I'm not sure, sorry. And now, as a final one, I made a Christmas card. I didn't show you what I did, but I used another lovely die set, the Christmas die set. And now the picture for the at least 3 of them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye!